what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro. Anyway, welcome. Today, we're doing a try on and review for the Ciate London and Jessica Rabbit collection. Guys, I don't even know what to say for this intro because I don't even want to ruin what I think about the products. But I'm happy with them. I'm just going to say that right now. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. If you guys want to know what comes in this collection, what the products look like, how the products wear, what I think about the products, then please continue watching. I am super excited for this video. I absolutely love Jessica Rabbit, and I was so excited when Ciate London came up with the collection. So here it is. This is just the packaging alone is absolutely beautiful. So there's an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter, and the Glittery Storm Metallic Glitter Lipstick. I don't even want to use this. I just want to display it on my shelf and keep it there forever, but I'm gonna have to use this. It's just so pretty. Oh my god, I am so excited for this. So I just took everything out of the packages. I haven't even opened them up yet, but the packages alone, oh my god, absolutely abso-fucking-tootly beautiful. This is the eyeshadow palette. Like, look at this. And then this is the highlighter. She's just like, she's goddess. Is it weird to say that a cartoon is beautiful? Cause like she's got it all. Yeah, and then the lipstick is glitter. It's beautiful. I'm in love with this. I don't know why I opened it. I never want to use this. Oh, so beautiful. We are going to swatch everything, and then we are also going to apply it. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. First of all, there is a huge mirror, which is a plus. I love this. Okay, so we're going to swatch right now. So I have swatched all of these shades on my arm. From the top, we have Love Letter, Oh Roger, Sunset Boulevard, I'm Not Bad, Patty Cake, Drawn That Way, Carrot Cake, Toon Kiss, and Honey Bunny. So the matte shades are down at the bottom. Not really sure you can notice them in the camera. I love Drawn That Way. It's this really pretty glittery shade. And then, of course, Patty Cake, Oh Roger, and the Love Letter. These shades are stunning. They are beautiful. We were going to start with the R's. I did my eyebrow and I've primed my eyelid off of camera, and it's time to get started on the eye. So I'm jumping into the Ciate London and Jessica Rabbit collection eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade Carrot Cake. And I used a Morphe E28 to apply Carrot Cake. I am going to take a Luxie 205 taper and blending brush, and I'm going to go into Toon Kiss. On a Royal and Langnickel Omnia Bomb 4D shader brush, I'm going to jump into the Zulu by Juvia's Palace, and I'm going to go into this purple shade right here. Taking the P.Louise base in Rumour 0.5 and the P.Louise brush, I'm just going to cut out that lid. Naughty London packing brush, I'm going to go into Honey Bunny, and I'm just going to set as close to the cut crease as possible, but not taking it all the way down. And again, using the P.Louise base and that brush, I'm going to cut out that lid once again, but keeping a very thin line. With a Vermona packing brush, I'm going to go into Oh Roger and pack that on the outer corner of the lid. And with a Royal & Langnickel Omnia Balm 18 detailing brush, I'm going to go into Patty Cake and pack that on the rest of the lid. So it's time to peel off the tape. Next, we're moving on to mascara, and today we're using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And for falsies today, we are using the EverLash Co. Falsies in Cleopatra. So we're just going to stick the lashes on. I'm just going to finish my face and the other eye off of camera, and I'll be right back to finish the eyes and to also use the rest of the products. So I'll be right back. I'm back and it's time to finish the eyes. I'm just going to work on one eye at a time. So I'll do this one and then this one will be done off of camera. We're going to jump into the Zulu by Juvia's palette on the Royal & Langnickel Omnia Balm 40 shader brush that we used earlier. I'm going to go back into this purple. I'm not going to apply anything to the waterline just because I have that little bit of the nude shade there. I figured I would just leave the waterline naked. And for mascara on the bottom lashes, I'm going to use the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara. And for inner corner highlight, I am going to jump in to this beautiful palette once again. And I'm going to use Drawn That Way. Might as well move on to the highlight. I'll finish the other side of, like, I'll do half this face and then the other side I'll do off of camera. Guys, look at this package. I'm going to use the Ciate London and Jessica Rabbit collection highlighter in Roger Darling once I figure out how to open it. Oh my god, I just opened it. Oh my, it's beautiful. Okay, just wait, just wait. Okay, I'm going to use this highlighter and it's called Roger Darling. Look at it. It's her. It's Jessica. Okay, I kind of don't want to ruin this. Honestly, I do not want to ruin this whatsoever, but I'm gonna have to use it. So I'm just going to highlight the one side of the face, including the brow bone and everything, and then yeah. I'm getting highlighter happy. I need to stop. Alright, I'm going to finish this side of my face off of camera and I will be right back. So I have finished highlighting and I finished the other eye. Now it's time for lipstick. Guys, I'm going to say it 10,000 times. They killed it on the packaging. The packaging is absolutely stunning. So this is actually the Ciate London Metallic Glitter Lipstick. And I've seen these in action and they are beautiful. So I'm excited to see the Jessica Rabbit shade. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is stunning. Oh my god. This is beautiful. This is, oh my god, I gotta swatch it. Holy hell, I'm in love. This is beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but there's literally like a glitter in it. Okay, we gonna have some fun. First, I'm going to line my lips with the MAC Cosmetics Cherry Lip Pencil. Hello. And to set the face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright guys, that completes my Ciate London and Jessica Rabbit collection look. I just want to give you guys a quick review on what I think about the products. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette. I just want to say, the packaging is beautiful. I love this picture. The shades themselves, I love the shades. I don't know if you need 6 shimmery shades and only, like, I wish there were more matte shades. So I love all the shades, but if there were more matte, that way you could actually like use more for transition shades, I'd be happier. But these shades are stunning. They swatch nicely, they blend in nicely, they're pigmented. I love this palette. I love it. I wish there was just more matte shades, like transitional shades. The highlighter. Again, the packaging, I love it. I love that they did not use the same picture on both packages, so they kind of changed it up a little bit and used 2 different pictures. It's just so nice. Oh my god. And then the highlighter itself, I love that it's the Jessica Rabbit imprint in here. They use the same picture that is on the lid and it's stunning. I love that. And the highlight itself, oh, it's blinding. It's beautiful. I have no complaints. The lip shade. I have no words for how beautiful this is. Like, look at my lips. Look at them. Look at them. It's beautiful. The packaging, once again, is stunning. And then the lip shade, oh my god. I'm obsessed. I have nothing bad to say about this collection. They absolutely nailed this collection. I love it. I love everything. And like, I wish I didn't use the products, because honestly, if it was up to me, I would have just displayed it, because like the packaging is so pretty, and so was like the box that it came in. But yeah, no complaints. This collection is absolutely beautiful. And that about wraps up my video. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. There's one more. It's always 2. I'm good. Good to go. So I have Honey Bunny. My god, okay. And again, using the P.Louise base and that off of camera, and okay, so the eyeshadow product, for up to me, I would have just disabled.